Hi there, in this lecture we are going to talk about two strategies you can apply if you want to run a campaign with the objective of getting leads. And we are going to talk about the budget for each one. Strategy number 1. In this strategy, you have to choose leads as an objective for the campaign. So after creating your ad set, you have to choose a budget for this campaign. But before we calculate our budget, we have to take into consideration the golden rule of Facebook ads. At a minimum, your ad set needs to be getting 15 to 25 of the conversions it's optimized for per week to have a chance at succeeding. In order to have a chance to succeed, you need to get at least 25 leads per week. So if you put a low budget, you might not get your 25 leads in 1 week, and then your campaign will fail. The price of a lead could go from $0.5 to $25. It depends on your niche and your audience. If your audience is in Africa, leads gonna be relatively cheap. But if you want American leads, you should pay much more. If you are in the USA, a lead costs usually between $5 to $15. So if we consider that the average lead price is $10, if we need 25 leads per week at least, then we need to spend $250 per week, which gives us a daily budget of $35 per day. If we see after launching the ads that our lead is costing more than $10, then we should increase our budget in order to make more than 25 leads per week. Strategy number 2. The strategy I will teach you now is very powerful, especially when the targeting of your audience is difficult. This strategy consists by first picking an engagement objective and then choosing a large audience, let's say 1 million person or more. So why I start with an engagement objective? Because engagement is much less expensive than conversion, because there is less competition. And when you have a large audience, it's better to target them with engagement first. With engagement objective, you can show your ad to much more people with the same budget. So first you put a daily budget equal to, let's say, $20 per day for 3 days. After 1 day, if your price per click is expensive, you should kill your ad and try another ad copy or another image or video. So let's say you got 6,000 video views of your product after 3 days. And let's assume that there are 1,500 people who saw more than 50% of the video. It means there are 1,500 persons interested somehow in your product. You create an audience with these persons. I will show you later how to create an audience out of people who watched a certain percentage of your video. Then you create an ad set with an objective leads, and you target again those 1,500 people using one of the strategies I taught you at the beginning of this lecture. And now you have a great chance to generate massive leads, because you are targeting people who are interested somehow in what you are offering. If you are a beginner with a low budget, this strategy could be very good. I hope you understand everything in this lecture. If something is still blurred, please do not hesitate to re-watch this lecture. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.